Good morning from Lake Havasu City, Arizona. It's another beautiful morning here. We just watched an amazing sunrise. And since this is our last day here in Lake Havasu City, we're going to go explore a little town north of us before heading on to our next location. Oatman, Arizona has a very interesting history. It's an old mining town and received its claim to fame back in 1915 when two miners struck a $10 million gold find. The town was named in honor of Olive Oatman, a young Illinois girl who was kidnapped by an Apache tribe during her pioneer family's journey westward in 1851. The booms were short-lived, and in 1921 a fire burned down many of the smaller shacks in town, and 3 years later the main mining company, United Eastern Mines, shut down operations for good. Oatman survived by catering to travelers on old U.S. Route 66, but in the 1960s when the route became what is now Interstate 40, Oatman nearly died. The town now boasts 500,000 visitors per year. Oatman is a fun place to visit. It's an authentic old western town with burros roaming the streets and gunfights staged on the weekends. The burros are tame and can be fed by hand and are descendants of burros brought here by the miners in the late 1800s. When the miners no longer needed them, they were turned loose. Each morning they come into town looking for food and wander the streets and greet tourists before wandering back into the hills for the night, shortly before sunset. If you would like to feed them, burro pellets are sold in many of the shops.
Man, they're feisty.
It's gonna dig in your bag to get it. Say,
like,
give me more. I know you've got more. Don't be holding that on me.
Gosh.
I don't have the food. She's got the food. She's got the food. Better feed both of them. They're gonna start fighting.
Oh, got it? Okay, no more. Don't have it. Done. Done. No more. No more.
Today's moving day. We're leaving Lake Havasu City. We're heading to Blythe, California. We made it to Blythe, California. We got checked into our spot and we're checking out the river behind us here.
It's pretty.
And the huge pipeline that's going across the pipeline bridge.
So safe.
Safe. At least we got plenty of gas. We're gonna enjoy the rest of this beautiful sunset and end the video right here. Bye for now.